Okay, folks, we are now in good time for the rapid fire. Actually, it's a not so rapid fire because we'll be taking their suggestions, their recommendations on things. So,
Yeah.
if you're ready, so I'll be asking. The format is simple. There is no gift hamper. We're looking out for. We're looking out for sponsors for this segment. So, if you're a D2C brand or if you want to sponsor, if you want to sponsor, if you want to sponsor, sorry, Revant.
Do I look like a Old Spice wala guy?
Yeah, full on. Jim is really helping Fardeen. Yeah,
कुछ नहीं है मैं.
And very old.
very old. So we'll be doing
Very
this.
old क्या?
Yeah, very old. Very
I'm
old.
just 25 guys. By the way, I'm 25. Lot of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm 24.
Okay.
For 2 months.
I'm gonna turn 27 in 3 days.
Oh
What
damn
about you?
bro. He's already just 24.
Yeah. I'm
दिख रहा है 24. देखो देख बुड्ढे.
Yeah.
कर क्या है?
Okay, folks.
yeah,
Are you
rapid
all
fire.
ready for the rapid fire? We'll be sort of getting some questions.
You should get Rapido to sponsor Rapid Fire. Call it Rapido Fire.
Rapido if you're listening to this.
Or you can get Free Fire. But you should like definitely get two gaming brands to which you. They have fuck all money, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
Like they just
But not betting apps.
betting apps.
Not betting apps.
Gaming
MPL तक fine है. MPL भी नहीं fine है actually.
I mean, that's your person call to make, but ideally avoid.
But like if you feel like the audience को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, go for it.
Folks, so I'll ask you a question. You'll all have to answer one.
Sure,
It's not
sure.
like very rapid. You can also explain some. Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready? Are we ready for rapid fire?
let's
Okay.
fucking go.
What's your favorite food item and why?
I'm not ready.
Okay, I'll go. I just really love Chinese food. So anything from Chinese. I
Why?
would say,
What?
fried rice, bro. Triple Szechuan fried rice. I
Triple
feel like
Szechuan fried rice.
that would be my last prisoner meal. I don't know what you call it.
Prisoner
The last
He's
meal I
sending
would
himself
have.
to jail. He's
Yeah,
like,
that-
after this conversation, I'm.
If I'm an
gone.
inmate and I have to like die tomorrow,
Who asked you
that's the last meal I'm having. A triple Szechuan.
I think like
fried
two
rice.
food items. One is definitely this. It's the comfort food.
खाना तो different बोले हैं.
नहीं भाई, that's the thing.
Arre? You have to be
I
different.
love triple Szechuan fried rice, bro. There have
God.
been times
Is it?
like, bro, I remember this one time we went to this fancy restaurant in BKC Origami, and we look at the menu. है तो पढ़ने ही नहीं आ रहा क्या लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे, ठीक है? It's some young jong,
Is it China?
and then I'm like,
No, Japanese,
and we like,
Japanese, sorry.
where is the fried rice section? It was with Raika. Raika is like chupchap.
Raika
हाँ,
Yeah.
she took.
Raika Matthews
she
is
took
a
us out.
Massive mentor.
Yeah.
My God, you all know too many. We have too many.
And so triple Szechuan fried rice. Also because growing up, that was the fanciest thing.
Okay.
Our
What
friends.
else?
And then there is Balram wala angle आ गया ना, गरीबी दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. Bengali. Second is definitely biryani. There's a very specific type of biryani, which
Kolkata biryani? No.
हाँ घर पे थोड़ा कलकत्ता वाली स्टाइल में बनता है. But instead of meat, Ammi puts seekh kebab in it.
Oh wow.
हाँ, so that's like one of the greatest biryani. Like ये दोनों चीजें खानी है मेरे को मरने से पहले.
Okay. Super.
जेल जाने से पहले नहीं, मरने से पहले. मैं को नहीं जेल जाना. I look too good for jail, bro.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. What YouTuber are you currently loving? Why? Which
Okay,
YouTube?
I'll go first. There's this YouTuber called Wynx, WYNGX. I've been into aviation content a lot recently. He spoke about it. Yeah, not just air crashes, aviation content in general. And this guy is an Indian dude. Makes like great 20-25 minute videos on like airplane disasters and talks about like why certain things went wrong.
Love
I think great animations, great stuff. Yeah, Wynx is my pick.
I've been going through some shit in life recently, personal stuff. So I find a lot of solace with Naval Ravikant. I don't know, like I've been rewatching and re-listening to all the how to find happiness in life, how to be
Naval is
lucky
the
with how to be rich without lucky, build wealth and all that. It's just great listening to him and just like, and now because now we're building our own business, it just gives you a sense of this thing.
Agreed.
Perspective.
And another thing, bonus thing, I really love Mr. Who's the Boss.
The way he sits and the
Yeah, the epitome of creating kick-ass production videos. That's
Yeah.
produced videos, highly produced videos. I love everything that he does. Like his shorts are optimized. You can study his
He has
video.
a perfect mix between polish and then focusing on virality also.
Yeah.
Like the clickbait is there, but it's there just
so
at the right
seamless.
amount.
Yeah.
It doesn't look pretentious or like too loud like the companies that we were
Like
talking about.
at one point,
Right
Main
there.
Street videos, were all inspired by him, like the
Oh.
technicality wise.
And the way even the text and all sort of moves.
Everything, the tracking,
The tracking,
SFX,
yeah.
VFX.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
I don't mind he's calling. Mr. Who's the Boss. Okay, cool.
mind he's
Mr. Who's the Boss, Wings and Naval
No,
Ravikant.
Ravikant.
Your favorite area in Mumbai outside of Andheri West? Outside of Andheri West.
I might have to go Bandra. Yeah. I don't know. It's a very, very, very cliche
Very
opinion.
cliche, but
sure. Your
Yeah,
cafes.
Bandra.
A lot of life happens in Bandra for us. Like we go and play football every week in Bandra.
yeah.
Client meetings or meetings in general happen in Bandra.
Yeah, I love how South Mumbai is just not like.
Bro, it's very inaccessible.
Yeah.
South
Hey,
Mumbai
South,
is shit.
this is a different conversation altogether, but the transport,
It's
like
fuck.
it's horrible.
भाई तुम स्टेशन से बाहर निकलो, you ask for a cab, motherfucker will not look at you.
Yeah.
रिक्शा वाला देख कैसा बोलता है, नहीं गैस लंबा. This guy was like, वो देखेगा भी नहीं क्या वाला. I hate South Bombay. वहाँ पर fuck all scenes है चलने
It's
का.
too fucking expensive to even take an Uber there.
For a part of the city which is extremely planned,
Yeah.
Yeah.
the walking factor is negligible.
walkable
Bro. It's not walkable at all.
Okay.
But some parts are.
वो
That is a
but
very
yeah.
like,
Exceptions तो है.
small part. And you know the irony is the parts that are walkable, वहाँ पे रहने वाले लोग तो गाड़ी से ही घूमेंगे. They won't even walk.
That's true.
Fair enough.
Okay, so Bandra. Bandra is a great answer, and we all have our favorites there. Okay. What's your current favorite meme format? So like a meme, like a song. We were thinking Kabutar, Tomato.
Meme trend or meme format?
No, meme. Like I would say, like a trending audio हो भी हो सकता है, format भी हो सकता है. Shit, favorite or brain rot also favorite.
Oh,
like yeah, whatever y'all.
There's a lot. I have to skim through stuff that I like.
ये ना अभी sort of like this is don't really have an answer for this. I'll tell you why, because it's overstimulating now. Like new trends are coming in every fucking day and they're dying. Like there was a time when one trend came and it stayed there with us for 1 month because not a lot of content creators were there, not a lot of channels were there. But now one meme comes in, सुबह आया viral हुआ, रात में खत्म.
Like the
I was just-
I can give you names. Like I can talk about the Sapne Dekhna guy.
हाँ, like
All of those guys, or you know those CID dubbed memes that come out.
ऐसे नहीं. Man, sure.
Or you know they do the same thing with Doraemon and Shinchan also.
Yeah.
It's really really funny.
I love that. The recent ones which has really been on my feed is ACB Pradyuman, and then the call is
सलमान खान वाला ना.
no like a bunch of-
different phone पे बात
Hey,
कर रहे
this,
हैं.
this one
हाँ,
also
ये
na.
भी रहेगा.
I don't know who does this, but it has in a Bangalore wala accent. I think Danish said करता है क्या वो prank
The
calls.
prank calls. The Danish said prank calls.
Crazy bro.
Yeah,
It's like,
he's
Yeah,
a-
it'll have some clip from
Sir,
GTA.
yeah, we
Niche.
sent you food that day, and it's like, it was nice. Sir, sorry to tell you, it was chicken in there. I said, this guy is like, sorry, sir. We said, sorry, you can't talk like this.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's crazy.
Yeah,
That is one good,
that is
Yeah.
one good thing. And then I like the sunset videos a lot.
There's videos with sunset background.
And then just some random shit comes in, and you're like, what the fuck, bro?
I feel like we in our lives have a lot of videos that can go in that
Ha.
sunset template.
One more thing that I really, really like is Mammootty dancing on random English songs,
Okay, love it.
especially on Fiend.
Yeah.
And last thing, I've been unsolicited consumption of Samay Raina videos these days.
Sure. Because
And India's
I have started speaking like him, bro.
yeah, man,
Like-
he's that influential.
No, like it's just like it's everywhere.
Yeah, that's true.
Should I say
It's a
that?
different episode in itself, but I really want to talk about how latent is.
It's killing, bro.
Killing
It's
Yeah,
perfect.
it's a
Again,
It's
long
influential
form
as fuck.
Indian content, the way that this guy's figured it out.
he's really cracked the code.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant work.
Okay, your favorite movie quote from a movie.
मेरा favorite movie quote नहीं है. मतलब ऐसा
Favorite quote बता दो.
favorite quote है मेरा. This one time we were at a party. This is the party where Andheri was shit posting worked with a web series. बता रहा हूँ यार. So and then this is also the you need the impact दिखाने के लिए तुमको बोलना पड़ेगा quote. This time me and Milan are sitting. Milan is actually dancing पीछे and I'm just there. And I look up and I see it written on the wall. It fucking changes my mind. It is still etched in my brain. It is find what you love and let it kill you.
Wow, I really want to end the episode on this note. But I will ask you, I think, Melvin.
Yeah. I
your-
also movie quotes तो बहुत सारे हैं, but there's this one quote in general that I've really like been hammering on his head and a lot of people's head. It goes something like, "Success is not owned; it's rented, and rent is due every day.
ये थोड़ा हम लोग का एरा चल रहा है ना, बिल्डिंग एरा
building era.
बिल्डिंग एरा
Building in.
बिल्ड एरा हो
building us
जाएगा
from
तो
it.
we'll talk about you need cigar, one Bugatti, things like that.